Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we are diving into the ANRUZ waxing kit for both women and men, which is the best waxing machine for hair removal you'll want to have for at-home use. Whether you're looking to take care of your full body, bikini line, eyebrows, or sensitive facial areas, this kit has you covered. Let's start with what's inside the box. The ANRUZ waxing kit includes a 500 ml wax machine, a blue silicone bowl for easy cleanup, and 4 bags of natural wax beads, rose, jasmine, and lavender. It also comes with 30 applicator sticks in different sizes, making it perfect for any area of the body. With this kit, you can expect smooth skin without the expensive trips to the salon. One of the standout features of this waxing kit is the easy-to-clean silicone bowl. After use, you simply let the wax cool and harden inside the bowl, then bend it to easily remove the hardened wax disc for your next session. It's mess-free, efficient, and cuts down on waste. This little detail makes a big difference when you're doing it yourself at home. The wax beads in this kit are 100% natural, made from gentle ingredients designed to minimize irritation. Whether you have sensitive skin or coarse hair, the ANRUZ waxing kit provides a safe and effective solution. Plus, the wax is designed to remove hair from the root, which means you'll enjoy up to 5 to 7 weeks of smooth, hair-free skin. This kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The machine heats up quickly and is easy to use, making it an excellent choice for anyone new to waxing. You'll be able to tackle hair removal for your eyebrows, arms, legs, underarms, and even your bikini line, all from the comfort of your home. What really makes the ANRUZ waxing kit shine is the ability to save time and money. Waxing at home with this professional-grade kit ensures you don't have to spend a fortune at a salon while still getting high-quality results. It's a great investment that will pay off after just a few uses. Overall, the ANRUZ waxing kit provides everything you need for an efficient, painless, and mess-free waxing experience at home. From the easy-to-clean bowl to the natural wax beads and thoughtful accessories, it's the complete package for anyone looking to achieve smooth, hair-free skin. So, if you're ready to experience salon-like results in the comfort of your home, this is the kit to try. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.